SafeLink Wireless, a lifeline provider, offers subsidized phones that are often locked to their network to prevent abuse, but you can unlock them to use with other carriers. To unlock your SafeLink phone, you generally need to have had the service for at least 60 days. Contact SafeLink customer service through their app, website, or by calling 1-800-SafeLink. Provide your phone's IMEI, proof of eligibility for Lifeline, and possibly a photo ID. The unlock process typically takes 24-72 hours. If your request is denied and you believe it shouldn't be, you can file a complaint with the FCC's Consumer Complaint Center. Carrier locks are software restrictions that prevent you from using a SafeLink phone on other networks. These locks are in place to prevent the resale of subsidized phones, which are intended for low-income users. The FCC regulates unlocking through the Consumer and Governmental Affairs Bureau, ensuring compliance with the Unlocking Consumer Choice and Wireless Competition Act. As of 2023, unlocking rates have increased and digital unlocking processes are becoming more common. By 2026-2028, the FCC may require all Lifeline phones to be unlocked at purchase, similar to regulations in the EU.